Today we're going to go over the best niches for affiliate marketing in 2021. I'm going to go through not only the top three, but we're also going to dig into some sub niches, and I'm going to show you how you can go about finding products within those niches as well. So some pretty good things to go over here. So let's jump in and get started. The top three niches on a broad level are health, wealth, and relationships. But you can't really just start there. Years ago when there wasn't much competition, that would have worked, but now you need to do what's called go into a sub niche. And one of the best ways to do that is to think about the subject and each thing under it. For instance, let's talk about health. Under health, one of the common ones is weight loss, but even weight loss now is a little bit tough. You want to go a little bit, you want to do what's called niche down. And that would be to go for something like weight loss for men over 40, weight loss for women after pregnancy, something like that. You want to sub niche down. And a great way to kind of use Google and see what terms are being searched for is to just simply go to Google, and we're going to type in weight loss here. And then we can see, okay, people are looking for clinics. They're looking for weight loss pills, weight loss calculator, surgery. There's different types of tea, tips. So all of this gives you an idea of some really common search terms that people are looking for when it comes to weight loss. And you can also type in, like right here, weight loss A, and then it's going to go through everything just like I mentioned, after 40, after 50, after a baby. So really gives you a chance to kind of niche down, so to speak. But after A, go to B, and then go to C. Now, this is another great way to find products that you can sell from an affiliate standpoint. Let's say you want to go after weight loss after 40, so we can go to weight loss and then A here. Okay, would an app work? Possibly. What are some different aids that they could use? Let me see here. Tips would be great. Weight loss breakfast menu, some different recipes. So you can really go through and think long and hard about each subject that you want to go for. Weight loss, just for the record, is one of the most difficult ones to go after. I would say if you're brand new, that's probably not the best one to go after. Let's look at one like weightlifting. For weightlifting right here, you can see people are looking for shoes. They're looking for a belt, gloves, shoes for women, equipment. So here's something pretty cool. You can go to weightlifting shoes here. And then if you want to find an affiliate program, you just type in affiliate program, and then you'll find weightlifting shoes affiliate program. And you can kind of look through. Here's one by Reebok. They have one for Clark's. So it's a great way to go and find those affiliate programs that can pay really well. Most people, when they first start, they go right for Amazon, and it is the easiest. Amazon has so many credit cards on file. But the challenge is they pay 1%, 2%, 3%. And it's just a really, you have to do a lot of volume, get a lot of traffic in order to do that. So we talked about the relationship one as well. So, you can think about, possibly dating, men dating. And then, okay, here we go. Younger women, older women, men dating site. Is it okay for a woman to date a younger man? And, you can also look at, men's dating, once again, affiliate programs. And you can find different things to promote that way as well. Now, if you're fairly new to, one second here. If you're fairly new to affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check out this program. They have something called a 15-day business challenge. It's just $7, and they take you step by step through the process of creating a business, getting it set up, having a plan, how to market it, how to get traffic, the best affiliate programs to promote. This legendary marketer is a great start if you're a beginner, if you're looking for a new niche. They have so many nuggets of gold when it comes to learning affiliate marketing. I'll leave a link down below to Legendary Marketer that'll give you some more information. But that kind of wraps it up as far as how to affiliate market. Now I'm just going to go through a few ideas for you, some sub niches. So for instance here, weightlifting, there's yoga, there's any type of fitness sports, massages, natural medicine, muscle growth, different types of supplements. And then you can also get into lifestyle, lifestyle type of blogs and niches do pretty good, whether it's backpacking or camping or tiny houses, any of those, sustainable living, and then another big one is, the hobby niche market. When you're going after hobby niches, people who are interested in cars, maybe old tractors, fishing. I know fishing can go into the hobby or the sport, but, poker, gambling, different types of tech gadgets, iPhones. There's just so many different areas that you can go through. And what I recommend that you do is you go to Google and you just type in best, right there, niches for affiliate marketing in 2021, and look at all the niches and the micro niches and all of the different things right here in this top 10, and especially the top 3. These niches, as we already talked about, the top 3, which are health, wealth, and relationships. These micro niches are a great way to get started. And you want to look and make sure, first, the niche isn't too competitive. Second, there's programs that you can promote and make money. And third, possibly a training program to get started. So thanks for watching today, and I hope this was helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you like it. Make it a great day.